Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel Ride Verge. Today, we are taking a deep dive into the 2026 Honda Accord Coupe, a car that redefines elegance, performance, and modern technology. The exterior of the 2026 Accord Coupe is a blend of aggressive styling and aerodynamic efficiency, designed to turn heads wherever it goes. The front fascia features a bold new honeycomb grille, seamlessly integrated with sleek, razor-sharp LED headlights, giving the car a futuristic yet sophisticated look. The sculpted hood and flowing body lines enhance its sporty appeal, while the frameless doors and low-slung profile add to its premium coupe identity. On the side, you'll notice 19-inch alloy wheels that come standard, with an optional 20-inch set for the performance variant, adding to the car's bold stance. The sloping roofline merges beautifully with the fastback-style rear, featuring C-shaped LED taillights, a subtle integrated spoiler, and a dual exhaust setup that hints at the car's performance capabilities. The overall design is refined yet aggressive, ensuring that the Accord Coupe stands out from the crowd. Moving on to price, Honda has strategically positioned the 2026 Accord Coupe to offer a balance of affordability and premium features. While the official pricing has yet to be confirmed, industry insiders estimate the base model will start at around $32,000, with the top-tier, fully loaded trim pushing up to $40,000. Given the advanced technology, performance capabilities, and luxurious design, the Accord Coupe remains a value-packed offering compared to rivals in the same segment. For those seeking a sportier experience, Honda is also rumored to introduce an exclusive performance trim, which may slightly push the price higher, but with added features and a more aggressive driving dynamic, it's bound to be worth it. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Honda Accord Coupe delivers a driving experience that balances power, efficiency, and excitement. Under the hood, Honda is expected to offer two engine options: a 2.0L turbocharged inline-4 pushing out around 270 horsepower, paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, delivering seamless acceleration and refined power output. For those looking for an eco-friendly yet powerful alternative, Honda is introducing a next-generation hybrid variant producing nearly 300 horsepower, equipped with an intelligent all-wheel drive system, ensuring superior grip and handling on all terrains. The suspension has been retuned for improved cornering stability and a more engaging driving experience, making the Accord Coupe not just a stylish commuter but also a car that excites every time you get behind the wheel. Additionally, an adaptive drive mode system allows drivers to switch between Eco, Normal, Sport, and Sport Plus modes, customizing the throttle response, steering weight, and suspension dynamics according to driving preferences. On the safety front, Honda has equipped the Accord Coupe with cutting-edge